Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a job on Indeed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in indeed.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Indeed website. Now from the homepage, if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed with using your credentials from the sign-in portal and then you will be logged into your account right away. Once you have been logged in, you will be able to see the various different jobs that are available. Look for various different jobs that are offered, and when you find a job that you are interested in, you can click on the Apply Now button. Once you click on Apply Now, you will need to add your contact information. Enter your first and your last name, followed by your email address and the city or state. After entering these information, also type in your phone number and click on Continue. Now you will be allowed to choose your CV that you want to send to your employer. You can choose your Indeed CV to directly send it to your employer and click on Continue. And you can also upload your own CV using a PDF or a text file. Choose whichever option is suitable for you and click on the Continue button. You will then be asked to choose how many years of work experience you have, followed by your experience doing the relevant work. After entering both of these information, click on the Continue button and then you will be asked to choose the relevant experience that is within your profile. After choosing the relevant experience, click on Continue and then you will be able to review your application that you will be sending to this job provider. Just review your application and then click on Submit your application once all of your information is verified to be true. You can also choose to turn the option on to get more alerts for jobs like this if you wish to do so. Once you submit your application, you will need to wait for the response from the company that posted this job. If you have been selected, then you will get a notification within your Indeed account and you will also be given an email alert. And there you have it. That is how you can apply for a job within the Indeed job search website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.